For homeowners in Loves Park, Illinois, creating bright, open, and welcoming living spaces is always a priority. Natural light can completely transform a home, making rooms appear larger, warmer, and more inviting. One of the most effective ways to achieve that transformation is by installing casement windows. Casement windows combine timeless design with superior functionality, offering unmatched ventilation, energy efficiency, and, most importantly, abundant natural light. Here's why they're the perfect choice for homeowners in Loves Park looking to bring more sunshine indoors while maintaining comfort throughout the seasons. Wider, unobstructed views and more sunlight. Casement windows are hinged at the side and swing outward like a door, which means they don't have a center rail dividing the glass. Unlike double-hung or slider windows, which have horizontal or vertical bars that can limit your view, casement windows offer a single, uninterrupted pane of glass. This design allows maximum sunlight to flood into your home, creating brighter rooms and a stronger connection to the outdoors. Whether you're overlooking a garden, a tree-lined street, or the Rock River nearby, casement windows let you enjoy clear, panoramic views while filling your home with natural light. Strategic placement for enhanced illumination. Because casement windows can be customized in various sizes and configurations, they can be strategically placed to capture sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day. For instance, south-facing casement windows bring in steady, warm light during the winter. East-facing windows capture gentle morning sun. West-facing windows add golden evening light, ideal for dining rooms or living spaces. By installing casement windows in key areas of your home, you can enjoy a natural glow in every room, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a cheerful, uplifting atmosphere. Superior ventilation and airflow. While maximizing light, casement windows also provide exceptional ventilation, an important benefit for Loves Park's fluctuating weather. Because the sash opens fully, these windows act like a sail, catching passing breezes and directing fresh air into your home. This design helps improve indoor air quality and can make your home feel cooler during the warmer months, especially in spring and early fall. The ability to fully open or partially tilt the window also gives you more control over airflow, ensuring year-round comfort. Energy efficiency. That keeps comfort consistent in Loves Park. Where summers are humid and winters can be harsh, energy efficiency is essential. Modern casement windows are designed to create a tight seal when closed, preventing air leaks and drafts that can lead to higher energy bills. Their locking mechanism pulls the sash snugly against the frame, making them one of the most energy-efficient window styles available. When paired with low-E glass coatings and insulated frames, casement windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, keeping your home cozy in winter and cool in summer, all while letting in plenty of light. Versatile design that fits any home-style. Casement windows are as versatile as they are functional. Whether your home in Loves Park features a classic colonial, mid-century modern, or contemporary design, casement windows can be customized to suit your aesthetic. They're available in a range of materials, including vinyl, fiberglass, and wood, and can be finished in colors that complement your home's exterior and interior. Adding decorative grills, frosted glass, or arched tops can further personalize their look while maintaining a clean, light-filled design. Safety and ease of operation. Casement windows are easy to open and close with a simple crank handle, making them ideal for hard-to-reach places like above kitchen sinks. They also feature multi-point locking systems for added security, ensuring your home remains both bright and protected. Additionally, because they open outward, casement windows can serve as emergency exit points, meeting safety codes for bedrooms or basement spaces. A smart investment for Loves Park homeowners. Upgrading to casement windows is a practical and stylish investment. Not only do they maximize natural light and enhance ventilation, but they also increase your home's energy efficiency and overall value. In a community like Loves Park, where homeowners take pride in their properties, installing casement windows is a simple way to combine modern performance with timeless beauty. Brighten your home the right way. If you're ready to invite more sunshine and comfort into your home, casement windows are the perfect solution. With their sleek design, energy-saving performance, and ability to fill every room with natural light, they're an upgrade that transforms both your home's look and feel. Partner with a local Loves Park window installation expert to ensure proper fitting, optimal efficiency, and professional results. You'll enjoy brighter spaces, better airflow, and lasting comfort, all wrapped in the beauty of natural light.